Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can add meeting to your Outlook calendar. It's quite easy. Very first thing you need to do is to just head over to left panel and just click on calendar. Right here you need to click on this option new event. This window will open and here you need to enter some details including title, whom you wanna invite, as well as you can enter the description, location and so on. Just for the sake of this video I'll just type test 123. Then here we need to enter the email addresses of the people whom you wanna invite in the meeting. Then if you look at here, we have the option to choose the starting date of the meeting. That would be 5th of September in my case, and the time for the meeting would be 4:30 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. like meeting would be for 1 hour. If you wanna add a location for this meeting, you can add that from here. If you wanna hold this meeting for a day, you can toggle on this option. If you wanna hold this meeting as in-person event, you can toggle on this option. And also if you wanna make this meeting recurring, you can do that from here. On this box you can enter the description for your meeting. Once you're done with all of these options, just click on send, and yep, as you can see that the meeting is successfully added here on the calendar. This is the meeting which we have created. And yeah guys, that's it. This is exactly how you can add meeting to your calendar in Outlook. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Bye bye.